Welcome traders, how's everyone doing? Okay, let's get started with today's technicals. It's been a bit of a slow week for me as I haven't taken any trades. I'm still waiting for a specific schematic slash entry, but since nothing has provided me with that, I am not going to be trading. So for now, I'm looking at the DXY. We can see that price has extended and evolved to separate patterns. Right now, the most important and relevant pattern is this potential bullish flag. That's in confluence with some stop hunts just above. But for now, for a short-term bias, I'll be expecting a rally to minimum this trend line. What could happen next? We could get a rejection and a continuation to the downside to continue the main move, which would be the outer structure of the large pattern in play, or we could get a break and retest and take out some liquidity just above here. But for now, we do not know what's going to happen, so we need to remain very, very patient. Now, in terms of taking a trade at the third trend line, we do need some form of compression. If we do get some compression approaching the trend line, then we could expect a decline from this level to take out these lows and go further south. So first of all, is there any technical setup currently on the DXY? Maybe, but it still needs some time to form and manifest. So for now, this is a potential scenario. We've got one tap, two tap, and a potential third tap crossover of both trend lines. But for now, there's not much happening on the DXY. There is some level of supply there, which should be in confluence with 1, 2, and 3. So depending on how price approaches the trend line could dictate what direction we could go. So either we approach it with momentum, then there's a big chance of it just continuing up, or we could approach this particular level with compression. Then I'll happily take a short towards minimum this outer structure for a take profit one if I'm to take a dollar pair. So this is the game plan for DXY. For now, I'm short-term bullish towards this point of interest. Next on the list is dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD, dollar CAD, dollar CAD. So for now, what have we been forecasting all week? Yes, price is within this pattern. It's broken this bullish pattern to the upside. I'm expecting price to retest this level here, which is in confluence of 1, 2, and 3. Not only that, we also have 1, 2, and a double third crossover. So it's looking really interesting for a short. But for now, do we have any potential buy setups towards our sell setup? Yes, we do. So right now, let me just remove this. Right now, we can see that price is broken to the upside. And what did we forecast yesterday? Once price broke to the upside, there was momentum to the upside, right? So once I saw that, I said to myself, okay, hold on a minute. They left the level of demand on for liquidity there. What could we do next? So if we just highlight this real quick, this was the level of demand where I'll be expecting a potential rally to the upside. Now, although this was a valid potential setup to go long on the dollar, I am not really interested, as is not my schematic that I trade over and over again. So as you can see, price did react from it, and it did go further north. Now, how was I feeling then? I didn't really feel too much like I missed a trade, as I'm expecting a reversal from two levels of interest. Some unfilled liquidity here on the smaller time frame, and a higher probability unfilled liquidity here on the lower time frame, which is in confluence with a third type of structure. So 1, 2, and 3. You can even say this is an important area, but this is plan B, right? That's the higher probability trade. I'm still interested in taking my plan A, which can easily play out. So it's always important to trade in terms of probabilities. So let's see what's actually happening on the DXY. If we zoom in now, we can see that, okay, demand level, away from the 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 demand level, it wasn't really too convincing. It rejected from it, but it wasn't really too impulsive, was it? So that to me was telling me that, okay, maybe we could see a potential double bottom. Now, did we get a double bottom? If we continue just playing it forward, you can see the buyers have completely lost steam here. So, okay, rejection. Now we've got a double bottom. Does that mean I'm going to be entering this trade at the double bottom and put my stop loss below here? Or even enter the double bottom the moment there was a bullish engulfing here and the stop loss below the bullish engulfing? Or even, to be super conservative, below this spike, or even further just below the zone, right? And a take profit up here, etc. Now, the reason I'm not really interested in trading a double bottom is because everybody's trading a double bottom, right? So if we actually map out the equal lows, we can see, okay, there's a clear double bottom, but market psychology is telling me that everybody's going long right now. So I'm not really interested in that, since I know there's a big chance of them getting stopped out. Hence why I'm interested in getting in on some unfilled liquidity just below the double bottom, where traders will place a stop loss. This is my plan A, and then my plan B will be just below. So what's happened next? Price is now dropping towards the double bottom entry. Surprise, surprise. So if we start doing some technicals, we can see that my plan A could potentially happen. So this is my plan A. We've got 1, 2, and a third tap of some unfilled liquidity spotted on the smaller time frame as my plan A. So I'll be expecting a reversal, take out these equal lows, take out the double bottom stop hunt, and then a strong rally towards minimum take profit 1, which would be in confluence with a 1 tap, 2 tap, and a third tap with some unfilled liquidity. We look to the left, again we've got some equal highs and some unfilled liquidity, but I'm expecting it to go a lot higher than this level. I'm actually expecting it to come up here somewhere, but for my take profit 1, where I'll be banking 80% on my entry, it will be up here. Now I'm also prepared for my favorite setup, and my favorite setup in particular is you get the double bottom, then you get the stop hunt of the double bottom, right? Once there's a stop hunt, there's now a second stop hunt. This is my favorite entry. These moves are really, really very, very lucrative. So this is why, I don't mind taking plan A. But if plan A fails, and okay, we get a rejection, and then there's another stop hunt, I'm definitely looking to get involved at plan B. So whichever comes first, I'm just remaining really, really patient. That's the game plan for dollar CAD. It's looking really interesting right now. I know there's CAD news tomorrow, so I'm looking to get in preferably later today or tomorrow very, very early. So that's it for today, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's live stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.